treasures!
Hello!
And welcome back to the show.
We're still here.
Yes, that's our new thing now. I always say welcome back to the show. I guess I've said it for a while, but...
welcome if it's your first time. Maybe you're not coming back. Maybe it's just your first experience.
Yeah, or welcome. I don't know.
Just welcome in general.
Right. So today we're doing a game. We love games here.
Time.
Games. This is going to be Guess the Sound number 3. We've done this 2 times before.
I do not do very well because I'm always the one subjected to sounds, I think. And I'm not too good at this game, so
yeah,
see what happens.
I do think, though, I'm not positive, but I feel like I made it a little bit easier than I had the last 2 times, so we'll see.
The last time you had like a wire brush on toilet paper or something that's like you can't guess that.
It was noodles. It was dry noodles. I was mixing them in a bowl.
Oh.
Yeah. So we've got 7 sounds, and she's gonna have to guess. You can play along, and you can comment below how many you got, and you get 2 hints if needed, and you have to get at least 4 out of 7 right to win the game.
4 out of 7.
Yep. So we can get on to the first sound. Okay, so for this first one, at least for Laura, I feel like it's a little bit of a freebie. Once you hear it, I think you're just gonna know it. But I kept it in because I'm gonna have to explain afterwards something funny happened while I was doing it. So it's here, you're probably gonna get it, but we'll try it out.
I don't know. Let's find out. Ha.
Yeah.
Well, when you had that sound in.
Yeah.
It is opening our basement door.
Yes, and it's because... So if you guessed, like, slide lock, because it's like a slide lock back door, then you got it.
Yeah.
But it was a giveaway because I couldn't stop our chickens from yelling at me, so you heard that and you know.
Every time you open it,
hey, what's out in the yard? Yeah. So there's
not very good at being quiet.
Yeah, not really. But this one's funny because... So I filmed each one. You're going to see a little shot of me doing it, and I did some funny things with it. But this one, as I was opening it, the door is so tight and it's so humid out that I was like this, like trying to get it open. So there's a lot of struggle in the video you're about to see. But, I got it open, so there
in the end, you got there.
Yeah, so point 1 for Laura.
1 point. Okay, on to number 2.
Number 2.
Here we go.
Okay.
Listen to that again.
Okay.
It's like paper flipping or something. Or it's metal. I need a hint. I'm gonna take a hint.
Okay. This is something that actually goes along with that laptop.
So along with the laptop. A laptop?
I really thought you were gonna get this one.
Okay, I'm gonna say it's typing, but it's too fast. I can't be typing.
It's pretty straightforward. When I say it, you're gonna be like, oh, that's what it was.
Is it like a mouse, computer mouse?
Yes.
All right.
Yeah,
I got it.
It's a computer mouse.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, it's kind of misleading, I guess, a little bit because I did it really fast instead of like. I did.
Yeah, that's why I knew typing couldn't be it because it was really fast.
No.
So.
No. All right.
I still got it.
Yeah.
Yay.
Point 2.
number 3.
All right.
Let's see if I can keep the streak.
Keep it going.
Here we go.
Okay.
I know what that is. That is loose change or coins.
Let me see. Okay, I forgot.
You don't know?
I forgot what order I put them in. I'm pretty. Okay, hold on. Yes, you're correct.
Yay!
Yes, it is me taking change and
That's
going
what I
like
figured.
this.
I thought you were moving your hand in the coins.
I thought you would get that one. Yeah. All right.
Yes.
Wow. You're gonna win.
I think you made this one, like the other extreme. It's like easy.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah.
It's hard to find a happy medium.
I know, because it's like sometimes in my brain, like the last ones, there were a few that was like, oh, she'll get that. But I guess because I knew what it was straightforward to me. But to her, when she's just hearing the sound, it's like, I don't know. So.
But I did need a hint for the one, so.
You did. So you're down to one hint.
On to the next one.
Okay, number 4.
Number 4. It's like a fan. Okay, I don't know if it's actually a fan now. Let me listen to that again. Alright, I'm gonna say, because there's like a watery sound before it comes on, it's the air conditioner.
You already won!
Yes!
Yes, it's the air
4
conditioner.
in a row!
Yeah.
It did sound like a fan, but then you heard like the watery...
Yeah.
And then the fan started.
Right. Yeah, so, okay, you've already won, but we'll do the rest.
Okay, well.
Guys, you have won it.
Here we go, number 5.
I feel like I kept all the harder ones till the end.
You can't just be playing a drum. That would be way too easy. Like a rubber band or something?
It's a toughie. It's a toughie.
I don't know. This one is stumping me.
Man, I should have put some hard ones at the beginning.
I still would have won because I would have
Yeah, you would have gotten all those,
so
yeah.
it doesn't really matter. All right, need a hint. Hint number 2.
Okay, this is something that you find very annoying and unnecessary in my room that I won't get rid of.
Your guitar? didn't sound like a guitar.
Yeah, you got it.
That sounded like a drum.
Okay, so what I did is I covered the strings while I was doing it so you couldn't hear the noise.
See, that's...
I knew. So I gotta make some of them hard. Come on now. But yeah,
all right.
She gets annoyed because
she doesn't play it. She's never played it. She got it when she was like 7 because she wanted to play the guitar. And she learned like a few chords and hasn't touched it. It's like dusty. It's legitimately dusty.
Okay, but look, it has a purpose because Bogo Phil, he absolutely loves it. So it's a great prop for him. Why does it need
to be right behind our door so every time you open it, bang into the guitar?
So what happens, the reason she finds it's really annoying is because our door, so here's like my dresser, and then here's my bed, and right in the corner I put my guitar, but when I'm like getting clothes out of my dresser, I'll take the guitar and put it in front of the door, so when she comes in, it's always like bang!
Every time.
Yep.
All right, can I keep the streak? 2 more left. Here we go.
Let's
Number
go.
6. Let's do it. Wait, that's it?
Yeah, it's very fast.
It's like a bag or something.
Can you keep the streak alive?
I don't think so, because I have no clue even where to go with this one.
Really? Okay.
I'm gonna say you're crushing up like a giant eagle bag.
First one is a nay. No.
Darn.
No. It's I'm opening a Ziploc bag.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I
I
can
can
see
hear
that.
now. Yeah, Ziploc bag. I thought you would get that one because that's like a very distinct sound, but
It's always different when you only hear the
I know.
sound. Your brain doesn't know what to do because there's no like thing in front of you like to what the sound goes to.
Yeah, that's why it's tough. Like this translation is tough because my brain is working different than hers when I see them. Let's see if you can get at least
Last one.
6. No hints left, sorry.
I used them all. Okay.
Yeah. Get this one.
That's an electric toothbrush.
It is not. No, sorry.
Wait.
You already guessed.
Hairdryer.
No.
Electric. Oh, it's the KitchenAid, the mixer.
Nope.
What is it?
It's actually something we've used on this show. It's that red electric can opener.
No.
Yeah, I just turned that on.
It's just something mechanical. Like you don't even know what it is. It's just like a mechanical sound.
obviously won.
I
You got 5 out of 7.
Dance party.
Good job. You got it. But at least this time you used your hints. She always forgets to use her hints.
I never use them.
No.
At the beginning of this game, I said, don't forget about your hints, and I didn't.
No. But that was number 3 of Guess the Sounds.
So let us know how you did in the comments.
Comment down below and comment if you'd like us to do this again. I find it to be a lot of fun, especially the making of it. And now it is time for the news.
Legoland has just discovered that they do not know how to make sunglasses. They attempted to sell sunglasses made strictly from Legos at a gift shop, but it ended badly as no one could see anything, and many Dippin' Dots carts and employees were knocked down by the customers.
And now it is time to open my mail. Pay that at one point. Yeah, I'll pay that too. Oh my gosh, this is the 3rd letter I've gotten from these people. It's ridiculous. Ooh, Ryland Home. I've been needing some sheets. And, ooh, stand mixer. What? What?
You're not supposed to open your mail. It's the studio mail. You know, for the show.
Oh, apparently it's time to open our mail. But we've literally never gotten a letter here. We have no mail.
What? Here.
Oh, okay. Alright. A banana. What? Alright. This is from Cobblestone Bookstore. It says, "Please return our banana. Oh, so curious, George. Thanks a bunch." And now it is time for the Taylor Treasure Box.
You should have filmed this sound when you open it. You should have filmed this
I
sound.
should have.
I got story words.
Oh, guess what I got? Story words! Story words. So my story word is blowtorch machete.
Oh wow,
Okay.
that's a lot different than mine. Mine is balloon and sun.
Mine's like, blowtorch and machete!
Balloon and sun.
Ah.
We should each take turns telling our story. So, I'll go first. One day in a lovely pasture, there was a little lamb, and this little lamb wanted nothing more than to have a balloon. Continue.
There was this really big feud, all right? There's this huge feud in this town, and there were these two. This is a brother on the one side and a brother on the other, and they were not happy with each other. They forgot why they were mad, but they were still mad, so they were gonna have the biggest fight the town had ever seen. and they were all going to make it to this. All the town was going to come and watch this fight.
And little Lammy was sitting out in his field, and he was just wondering, what could I possibly do to get a balloon? And then his friend Rhino reminded him it was his birthday! So of course he could have a balloon. But where does a rhino and a Lammy go to find a balloon?
So they're all coming to this fight. It's Thursday night. They're all coming, and they all have made bets on who's going to win this fight. It's really split 50-50, but they just don't know. They also don't know what weapons they're going to bring. So they show up, these two brothers. They show up, and they have their weapons. One has a machete, the other a blowtorch. And they realize they can't really fight in a normal combat way because both of them did not bring an object to hit each other. The other one brought a blowtorch, so they were kind of in a pickle. But now, let's go to Laura's story and we'll come back and see who won, even though one had a blowtorch.
So anyway, Rhino was thinking on his thinking rock next to Lammy, and then he had an idea. He said, where's one place that's round and stays up in the sky like a balloon? The sun, of course!
Yes!
So all he had to do was go to their special sun talking rock and say, hello, sun. Hello, sun. The sun said, yes? And Rhino said, it's Lammy's birthday. Can she have a balloon? And the sun said, of course. And then a balloon floated down from the sun and landed right next to Lammy, and they had it for Lammy's birthday.
And so they get to this
end.
fight. Great story. They get to this fight, and they're there. The one has a blowtorch, the other a machete. And you might think the brother with the machete would have won. You would be wrong. The brother with the blowtorch won. You want to know how he won? He used his brain. He did not take his brain out. He used the function of his brain. He took the blowtorch and he continued to take it to the machete until the machete was so hot, it was a little flimsy, and he crushed the machete in half, and he could no longer use it because it was all crooked and broken, and so he won.
Good
Does that even make sense? Could you do that to a machete?
I don't know.
I don't know. That's the only thing I could figure out.
You can't get balloons from the sun, so neither one is very factual.
No, because if you went to blacksmith, I feel like they could get it pretty hot so that it could bend and stuff, but I'm not an expert. I'm not a blowtorch blacksmith
Me
person.
neither.
But that's what happened. The brother with the blowtorch won, and they got the sun and balloon or something.
There you go.
Wow. So, very different stories there. But, again, we hope you have enjoyed this episode. Make sure to comment down below how many you got right and what game you would like us to do next or this again. And make sure to give this video a like and, again, a comment, to make sure to subscribe. And after you subscribe, make sure to press the bell to get all of our videos in your notifications box. And you can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook, which is @TaylorTreasuresOfficial. And we'll see you next time. Bye! Okay, I'm gonna guess what a sound is Laura's gonna make.
Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm. You obviously took it from my magnet thing with all the magnets. But which magnet? Mini phone?
Nope.
Oh, I thought, wow, you didn't even go over there.
Nope. So I knew you forgot I had it sitting over here. They're my purple earbuds.
Yeah.
Of course.
See, that happened last time with something. You picked it from somewhere I didn't expect it.